So we're out in the field gonna plant some lantana. Beautiful yellow flowers. Can't tell right now. Looks beautiful summertime. Put the shovel in. Pop. Unbelievable. Just for these little plants. So what I did, I busted the water line to all of our sprinklers. Oh well, let's fix it, y'all. And we dig. There's the pipe right there. I snapped that bad boy. Okay, today. I snapped it clean off. Somebody needs to cut some weeds out here. Ooh, I think it's broke down here too. Yep, it broke. Holy crap-a-doodle. Well, I know y'all don't want to watch me dig. Let me get some of this dirt out of here. See what kind of mess I got to deal with. Dang it. Making progress. Welcome back to T-Bone After Hours. There's always something broke around here. Generally, I broke it. Let's dig some more on this side. Pipe is not very deep because every year we drain this in the wintertime. I got a drain valve down there. Well, now we can see what we're working with. Let's go get some plumbing supplies, y'all. Well, as you can tell, this field is really overgrown. And we've got water lines all down, plus that middle row where I just was. And we have planted trees. We've done over, I think it's over 50 trees about 2 years ago. And we had one that kicked the bucket. Gonna have to replace that one. And we've got drip irrigation to every one of these trees all around the property. Y'all remember Mrs. T's arch in the last video? Boy, that thing has grown over but quick. Somebody needs to fix some lawnmowers around this place. Make sure you're subscribed to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Most of y'all know where you're at in Rayleigh's Small Engines. You've seen it many times. And welcome to the junk. One of our mini storage buildings. Look here, plumbing supplies. Fittings and stuff. All right, this is the field box. There's some couplers. And you have to keep everything in stock. Believe it or not, that old cabinet is plumbing and electrical. The left side's plumbing. All kind of mess. And you can use these to cut your PVC, but nope, I got a different plan. Yeah, more power. Well, I also need a piece of pipe, and you can tell. We've got the field pipe. If y'all can see the red and blue pipe up there, that's some of what's in the doggone house. I hate that stuff. At least the fittings I do. Let me cut a stick of this off, and I'll be right back with you. That ought to be enough. So now I got to go all the way down to that corner in order to cut the water on, and we're going to try and blow this dirt out. We're not going to try. We're going to blow the dirt out of the center of that pipe. Yeehaw. Let's go down here and find our valve down here. Got Mrs. T up at the top of the field up there, and she's going to wave at me when we got water, and I'm going to cut this bad boy back off. Now, hopefully she's going to pan down, and let's cut this water on that way, and then she's going to let me know when I got water up there. She just waved that quick. Holy moly. I bought us something the other day. Y'all going to want to see what I bought. you're not going to believe it's, you know, overkill, T-bone and overkill. But I'll show you, y'all stick around. All right, y'all, let's get her done. I'm gonna put some gloves on because my sweaty hands, I'll never get these on. I doubt it. Close enough. I always end up with this glue all over me. She's smiling at me behind the camera, y'all. I see her right there. Where's my rag? All right, let's clean this off a little bit. We blew it off the inside. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit wet because I'm like using this rain and shine. I'll put you a link to that right down in the description. You can go get some of your very own. Of course, this has been a while. We keep it in the house. And because it does dry up. Gonna get us a coupler. What you want to do, a little bit of glue inside. And folks, listen, I'm not a plumber. A real plumber is probably cringing right now. But usually my stuff works. Usually. Not all the time. Now, this right here is one of those swole up ones where you slide a pipe into another pipe. So we're gonna cut it off back here, right here. Just like that. Now, let's get all this mess out. And when we get done, we'll blow these hoses out. We don't have sprinkler heads on right now. So it'll be just fine, y'all. I promise. Unless it leaks. Then it won't be, will it? Let's get us one more coupler here. Golly, that glue is getting dry. I hope it don't leak. I'll have to do it again. Both pieces. When you slide this on, go till it stops. It'll little quick turn. Watch. Turn. There you go. That's all you do. Now, let's cut our piece of pipe. We're going to go about right yonder. That looks almost perfect. Again, I'm not a professional, but we make it happen, Captain. We put down, what, over 1,000 feet of water line in this field for all the water lines we had. All right, let's put this end in. Now we got to make this fit. This is why I dug this back a little ways, because I knew it was, I might do a little bending to get this in here. And they do make some other fittings that'll work where you can slide it off to one side, some kind of weird coupler thing, bob or something. Little twist. Now, you know what? We just got to let it dry. I don't have to let that glue sit overnight, but I bought a box blade, and I bought a Woods 720 Bush Hog. Here's the problem. I'm going to show you. The place where you hook it up, if you can see right there, is broken off of this side. But you know what? I got a welder. I can fix that. I like buying junk. Well, it ain't junk. This is good equipment. I got it for very, very reasonable. That's a Woods 720. And let's in the morning, we'll go get out there and pressurize that water line. Okay, well, it's not the next morning. It's 2 days later in the afternoon. We've been busy. All right, so we're about to pressurize this thing. Let me show you what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open this line. That way that's not pressurized. Now I'm going to go down and open that up. Water start coming out. We won't be pressurized yet. Then we go come shut this off and check for leaks. All right, let's cut her on. Here she comes. Water coming. Can I beat it? Yeah. Nope, I didn't beat it. That water's coming up out of there. All right. As you can tell, we got some water pressure around this place, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go see if it's gonna leak. Somebody crossed their fingers because I ain't no plumber. All right, let's go. Come on, y'all. Here we go, here we go. What we got? What? Dry. Dry. That's what I'm talking about. That was a truck. That's what I'm talking about. All right, then. Let's get her covered up, y'all. Let's see if I can break it again. So Mrs. T is gonna get her done. Lantana. Just like that. It'll be a great big one probably next year, the year after. That one's about a year or two old. These things are full of yellow flowers. Beautiful in summertime. Folks, we appreciate you tuning back into T-Bone After Hours. I'm T-Bone and Mrs. T standing behind the camera. Y'all click that subscribe button. Maybe give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.
Well, T-Bone's out there in his field of green, where the weeds grow wild and the grass is mean. Got a shovel in hand, he's looking real proud. Gonna dig a new ditch, he's shouting out loud. Oh, T-Bone, watch out now, that line's not a vine. He's busting water pipes and it's quitting time. With a shovel and a smile, he's making quite a scene. T-Bone's the king of the overgrown tree. The sun's beating down and the weeds are high. He's swinging that shovel, giving it a try. Then there's a splash and a whoosh, oh what a sound. T-Bone's turned his field into a water park all around. Oh, T-Bone, watch out now, that line's not a vine. He's busting water pipes and it's quitting time. With a shovel and a smile, he's making quite a scene. T-Bone's the king of the overgrown tree. And the chickens cheer as T-Bone splashing around like he's in a frontier. Got a pond in the pasture and it's all his own, but that water bill's gonna take him to the bone. Now the weeds are happy and the grass is too. T-Bone's field is a funnel park, who knew? He'll fix it all up, but he won't deny he's loving this mess with a twinkle in his eye. And it's quitting time. With a shovel and a smile, he's making quite a scene. T-Bone's the king of the overgrown dream. Yeah, T-Bone's the king in his muddy jeans. With a shovel and a grin, he's the lord of the green. So if you see him digging in that wild old field, just know he's the master of the unplanned.